Hello, welcome to today's English lesson. I'm Ruth. Today's lesson continues with jobs. We will listen in detail to a recording made about someone's job, and we will learn some new vocabulary about jobs. So, let's start with the new vocabulary. When you get a job, you might have a job which is part-time. Part-time. So can we say that? Part-time. And that means maybe 2, 3, 1 days. Full-time. Full-time. That means 5 days. So part-time is just a small job. Full-time is a main big job. Okay, so can we say part-time, part-time and full-time? Time. Full-time. Good. Now, some people work in a factory where they make things. Some people work in a school. Some people work in a college. Some people work at the post office. Some people work in a building yard. Some people work in a shop. There are many different types of jobs, but everyone will work a shift. A shift is the time. So maybe you start at 8 a.m. and you finish at 8 p.m. Morning, night. Maybe you start at 10 p.m. and you finish at 6 a.m. Maybe you start at 2 p.m. and finish at 7 p.m. A shift can be short or long. It really depends on the job. For example, we learnt the word nurse and doctor at the hospital, didn't we? Yes. So, a nurse often works 12-hour shift from 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. But many times they work 13 hours or 14 hours. So there are different shifts for different jobs, and also part-time or full-time. So whether you work only a little bit or you work a lot. Now, the government has laws in place, so your job have to pay you properly. So if you have a job and you are 25 or more, so me 30, 25 or more, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, all the way up to about 70 retirement age. Okay, so if you have a job from 25 or more, your minimum wage, we'll say that again in a minute, should be £8.72. That is the law per hour. If you are 21, your minimum wage is £8.20. If you are only 18, your minimum wage is £6.45. So what is minimum wage, I hear you ask? What is it, teacher? Well, minimum wage is the set amount of money that your job must pay you per hour, okay? So, a teacher gets paid higher than the minimum wage. It's not minimum wage. But maybe a cleaner will get paid the minimum wage, okay? So the money that you earn must start at the minimum wage, and maybe it's more, but it shouldn't be less, okay? Minimum wage. Can we say that? Minimum. 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 Very hard. Minimum. 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 Good. Minimum. Minimum wage. Minimum wage. Minimum wage. You say that again, 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 again. That's brilliant. Okay. So, when you get money, you earn it. You earn it. You did the job. You earned it. Okay. So I'm going to just say those words again. Full-time, part-time, shift, worked, earn, minimum wage. And finally, if you get universal credit, you claim some money. You get some money from the government. Claim. Some people get child tax credit. Some people get working tax credit. Some people get job seekers, but it's all in universal credit, and you have to fill a form and claim it. Okay. So, I am now going to play a video. On the next video, you are going to listen to it and listen for detail. And I want you to listen to find out, what does Osman have as a job? Does he like it? Doesn't he like it? Is he happy at his job? What shift work does he do? When does he work? What does he work? Okay, so listen for some details now, and then we will talk about it after.